Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the search result language on Google using the Google Chrome web browser to filter out search results by specific language, country, or region on Google. So let us dive into this. Open Google Chrome and access Google. And what you want to do is here on the home page or home screen of Google, click into settings in the bottom right, click into search settings here. And from there, click into other settings on the left panel. And here guys, you may set a language and region for a search result. Just remind guys that the result language is not the same as the display language. You can click into display language here and, for example, change the interface language here for Google so that the entire interface will be shown in your selected language. However, the result language refers to search results you find on Google. For example, in a specific region or country or in a specific language. So you may, for example, apply here that language filter by clicking into it. And after that, simply apply or select a language filter from that list below. For instance, to find only search results under, I don't know, Danish, German, Czech, Filipino, and so on and so forth. Click into confirm here. On default, it will be on or set to English. And you may do the same for region results. For example, click into that and select search entries here in Google that come from specific country or region, like Denmark, Czechia, Dominicana, and so on and so forth. Click into confirm, and that is going to apply that filter so that you may now use that search feature here on Google to find or to narrow down your search to a specific language or region. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.